Oh, on my first day of school, I was so incredibly excited. I was thrilled to be here. It's been something I've been thinking about doing for such a long time, and I've looked at the course a couple of times seriously in the past, but it was down in Bath. So when I saw that the school had relocated here, my first opportunity was to do the course. I enrolled and here I am. My profession, my background is in interior design. I've been self-employed in interior design most of my life. I've also worked for the Bronte Parsonage Museum, which I still do as a volunteer. I've had a little bit of time out because I've had an illness, but that's 2 years ago now, and I'm fully recovered, which is great. So it's now time to do something for me. During the time that I was ill, I took a few smaller, shorter courses, not with Tallulah Rose, but with other florists. But through one of those courses, I actually met Rachel and thought she was amazing. And as I say, the first opportunity I got to come here and do this career change course, because I'm ready to now go on to the next part of my journey. And so many changes have happened between the first day and here. It's made me really think about how and where I want this journey to take me. I thought I had a really good idea of how it was going to go after the course finished, but now I'm not sure. It's brought up a lot of questions, more questions than answers, but I think that's good. I've got lots to work on when I get home, and I'm just so super enthusiastic. Oh gosh, well, my favourite moment was actually day one, meeting everybody, I think, and listening to everybody else's stories and what they wanted to get out of the course. And another standout moment was doing the mood boards on the Friday last week. Just sitting there and having the time and the space just to go through some images and magazines and pull out what spoke to me, and then you've got this pile of papers. I didn't think that anything would possibly come out of it, but then when I did put them on the board, it really did tell the story of where I am at the minute and what I want my little business to look like. It was just so interesting and so unexpected how powerful that was. To anybody thinking about doing this course, I'm emotional. Just do it. Just do it. It's absolutely brilliant. I've had an amazing time, and I feel as if I've made friends for life as well. It's amazing. Do it.